Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the H parameters. H parameters are a two-port network parameters having four variables named as V1, I1 at the input side, I2, V2 at output side. In order to analyze the two-port network, we require two independent and two dependent variables. In H parameters, I1, V2 act as a independent variables. V1, I2 act as dependent variable. We further express the input voltage V1 as a function of input current and output voltage V2. Similarly, the output current is represented as a function of both the input current and output voltage. Based on this, we represent the corresponding H parameter equations as V1 is represented as H11 times of I1, H12 times of V2. Similarly, I2 is expressed as H21 times of I1 plus H22 times of V2. And these two equations are represented in a matrix format as V1 I2 is equal to the matrix of H11, H12, H21, H22 of I1 and V2. The calculation of the H parameters. Here the H parameter H11 and H21 are calculated by making the V2 as a 0. Making the V2 as 0 is nothing but we are making the output as a short circuit. We are making the output as the short circuit. And making the output as a short circuit, we represent the V1 is equal to H11 I1. If further expressed as V1 by I1 is equal to H11, where we are keeping the V2 as 0, nothing but short circuit. Output short circuited. Then the second equation is further represented as I2 equal to H21 I1, so that I2 by I1 is equal to H21. There also are making the V2 as a 0. Output is going to be get short circuited. H12, H22 are get calculated by making the I1 equal to 0. Simply we can say that input is going to be get open circuited. We can simply say that we simply say that the input is going to be open circuited, and making the input as the open circuited, then we print the first equation as V1 equal to H12 V2, then H12 equal to V1 by V2 by making the I1 equal to 0. This is the open circuit. Similarly, equation 2 is I2 equal to H22 V2. I2 by V2 equal to H22. These are also be get calculated by making the input is going to be open circuited. It means these H parameters are the combination of both the short circuit parameters as well as the open circuit parameters. H parameters are described as H11 is the short circuit input impedance, H21 is the short circuit forward current gain, H12 is the open circuit reverse voltage gain, H22 is the open circuit output admittance. From this we come open circuit parameters. These are the short circuit parameters, open circuit parameters. So we come to know that the H parameters are having the combination of both the open circuit as well as the short circuit parameters. Circuit diagram representation of the H parameters. The equation 1 is going to be expressed the Thevenin's model, and equation 2 is represent the Norton's model. And we are going to represent the equation 1 in a circuit format where we are having the input current I1 followed by a resistor H11 connected to a dependent voltage source H12 with V2, and corresponding voltage, applied voltage is the V1. Similarly, the equation 2 is having a dependent current source named as H21 I1 followed by an admittance H22. They are get connected together and form as a H parameter model. At the output, the current is the I2 and the voltage is the V2. This itself is named as H parameter circuitry, the equivalent model of the H parameter. Now we move towards the uses of the H parameters. The H parameters are very much useful in order to analyze the electronic circuit where the transistor like elements are get connected, such as in analyzing the amplifiers. Similarly, in some cases it is very difficult to use both the Z parameters and the Y parameters. At those conditions, we are going to be using the H parameters to analyze the circuit easily. The limitations of the H parameters. The main limitation of the H parameters are they can't depict the behavior of the circuit at the high frequency. The reason is that at high frequencies, the current at 2 points in a circuit are not same. Similarly, the voltage is also not same. Even by taking the RMS values, we can't determine the parameters accurately. So, the H parameters are not adapted for analyzing the any circuit at high frequencies. Thank you.